Having doubts while studying? Don't worry. Hey there, this is Vaishnu and welcome back to our YouTube channel Study to Learn. In the previous session, we discussed about what is Layout Manager and how to use Flow Layout in our program. And today we are going to learn about border layout. And at the end of the session, we will see some MCQs on today's topic. So let's start. So as we know, border layout is a default layout of frame and it arranges component in 5 different zones, and these zones are north, south, east, west, and the space which will remain that will allocate to the center zone. And one important thing in border layout is each zone is capable to hold only one component. But don't worry, to overcome this limitation we'll use panel. Just have to add components to panel, and after that panel will add to the desired zone. Now let's see how to use border layout. For that we have to learn about border layouts constructor. This layout provides only two constructors. First one is default constructor and second constructor is with two integer parameter. We will see each constructor in detail. So first constructor is a default constructor which creates object without gap between components, and this layout can be used like this. Second constructor is with two integer parameters which creates specified number of horizontal and vertical gap between components and can be used like this. Now let's see how to add components in border layout. Once we define border layout, after that we have to add components to the container. For that this method will be used. Here this method has two parameters. First one is object of component and second parameter specifies the region where we want to place component in container. In this example, we add button one object of button at north of container. After constructor, so what are our methods? Border layout provides various methods. Among them, these are some important methods. So first method is set edge gap, which take one integer parameter and used to set horizontal gap between components. Second method is a set v gap with one integer parameter, which sets vertical gap between components. These are the getter methods, which are used to get horizontal and vertical gap between components respectively. Now, after constructors and methods, let's see the program on border layout. So in program, first line is import line in which AWT package is imported. This is our class name which extends frame class. This is class constructor. After that, with the help of setLayout method, layout set as border layout. Here I create a panel. This label is with hello string. Here these are the buttons with strings. These are the label, two buttons and one text area, and I added components like L1, B3 and B4 on panel. Now main part is here where we have to add components to the border layout on the different region. So here I added panel on north zone, here L2 on south zone, B1 at east zone, B2 at west zone, and at last we added text area at center zone. Here we set visibility and size of frame. Now let's see the output of code. I wrote this code in Dr. Java. You can use any Java ID as your convenience. So let's compile and check for the error. So no error in the program. So let's run. And here we go. Our output is here with border layout in which at north zone panel is added on which we added 3 components. After that at south zone good morning label is added. Here at west and east zone 2 buttons are added, and in the remaining zone text area is added with string using border layout and both scroll bars. At the end of this session we will see some MCQs on today's topic. So first question is, border layout is divided into how many regions? So answer is 5. Next question is, which container use a border layout as their default layout? So answer is all of the above. Next question is, which is the correct method for adding button component into north region of border layout? Assume B1 as a button object. So answer is add with first parameter as a component object which is B1, and second parameter will be the zone of border layout. So answer is first. Next question is, identify the layout of image. So answer of this question is border layout.